Your hair might be thinning, and you don't even know it until it is too late. You are probably making decisions every day that are damaging your hair follicles. Ironically, you probably think you are eating healthy. Your scalp is in desperate need of some healthy food, and little by little, you are adding damage to your hair. One day, you look in the mirror and notice you are losing hair, and you think to yourself, what is happening? Hair loss is not just from genetics or getting older. It has to do with what you are eating. A lot of people are not eating the right food and losing hair. I will give you 7 foods that will almost be miraculous, as they will revive hair follicles and start triggering the body to grow more hair. These are not going to be subtitles or creams that are going to be expensive. These will be ingredients you can with that will change your hair from the inside out. If you eat nutrient-rich foods, your body will support your growing and maintaining healthy hair. You won't have to buy expensive oils or hair care products because all you need to do is eat healthy food. These foods will grow your hair and are completely natural and good for the environment. You need to eat these foods habitually if you want to see the changes. You will notice your hair getting stronger and shinier. Since I'm starting the countdown from number 7, you will have to wait for the number 1 hair food to see what it is. You can help grow this health community by liking this video and commenting your age. Most people don't know this, but hair restoration food is number 7 on the countdown, sweet potatoes. These vegetables should be food that you eat often and will grow hair. You can bake, fry, or mash sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes have something called beta-carotene in them. Your body transforms it into vitamin A. You know vitamins are really important for your body, but did you know vitamin A keeps your hair healthy and helps you see? The body needs vitamin A to make something called sebum. It's the natural oil that keeps your scalp hydrated. If your body doesn't have sebum, your scalp gets all dried up and can even cause your hair to fall out. When your scalp gets dried out, it makes it harder for the hair to stay healthy. When a hair gets dried out, it makes it really hard for hair to stay and it can't grow. Sebum acts as a protective layer around hair and makes it less likely to break off. When hair doesn't break, it can grow thicker and healthier. Also, antioxidants are in sweet potatoes. Antioxidants protect your hair from oxidative stress and the harm it can cause. Free radicals cause oxidative stress and can make hair useless and lead to hair loss. Eating sweet potatoes helps give your body the nutrients it needs to repair and protect your hair. Sweet potatoes also contain important minerals like zinc, manganese, and iron, which help with growing healthy and strong hair. Iron helps to transport oxygen to the hair follicles, which helps to nourish and promote healthy hair growth. The great thing about sweet potatoes is that they are also great for your body. Eating sweet potatoes helps with your metabolism, boosts your immune system, and gives you overall better health. Try sweet potatoes for yourself and see the great results for your hair. The food will start to nourish your scalp, and in turn, you will have stronger and healthier hair. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We are really excited to have you join our community. Hit that bell so you get notified about our videos. Now, let's move on to number 6. You are going to love this one. The 6th item on this list is spinach. You probably know about its iron content, but that is not all that this leafy green can do for your hair. Spinach is also packed with magnesium, folate, and vitamin C, all key players in hair growth. So, why is spinach's iron so important for hair health? Iron helps make hemoglobin, a molecule in your blood that carries oxygen to your hair follicles. Well, oxygenated follicles will result in a full head of hair. Without iron, hair loss and thinning can occur because your hair follicles will suffer. This is why it is essential to eat iron-rich foods like spinach if you want to have great hair. But spinach can do even more than that. It's also a source of magnesium, a mineral that helps control stress hormones. When stress occurs, your body releases a hormone called cortisol that will slow hair growth and can even cause hair loss. Magnesium helps reduce cortisol, so your stress levels will be lower and your hair will be healthier. Folate is also a nutrient in spinach that helps your hair. Since folate supports cell growth and repair, it helps regenerate hair follicles. A lack of folate could lead to delayed growth and even hair loss. Now for vitamin C, which is essential for collagen synthesis. Collagen helps to strengthen hair to prevent brittleness and breakage. Vitamin C helps with the absorption of iron from plant foods. Eating foods like spinach, which contains vitamin C and iron, gives your body a greater chance to promote strong and healthy hair. Spinach also contains beta-carotene and vitamin E, two of the many antioxidants that protect hair follicles from the damaging effects free radicals. These antioxidants, as well as vitamin C and iron, are why your hair is healthy when it is strong, and why it is able to grow to its fullest length. How's it going? Go ahead and comment your thoughts, and if you haven't subscribed yet, now would be a great time. We're all aiming for great health and great hair. We're about to dive into the foods that can really change your hair, so stick around. Let's talk about another familiar food that we can enjoy. Number 5. Avocados. If you are not considering adding avocados to your diet, then you are missing out on one of the best foods you can enjoy for your hair. Avocados are high in some amazing healthy fats that contain a lot of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids helps feed the scalp so that hair can grow. And this is just one of the reasons why avocados are so good. Avocados are a great way to get some vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant and is great to help improve and boost circulation to the scalp. Vitamin E is an amazing support for healthy scalp and hair follicles. Eating avocados helps to improve hair follicles and keeps them in great shape. Avocados give follicles the fuel to stay great. In addition to omega-3 and vitamin E, avocados are a natural source of biotin. Biotin is an important nutrient that helps your body create keratin. Keratin is the protein that makes up your hair. Biotin is essential for the production of keratin, so it makes sense that biotin is commonly recommended as a supplement for people hoping to grow their hair out. Avocados are an amazing way to get biotin. Eating avocados can help keep your hair moist and prevent it from becoming dry or brittle, which minimizes damage. Hair that is dry and brittle is more prone to breakage, which slows hair growth. Eating healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, gives your body what it needs to help your hair grow and be stronger and more resilient. Avocados can be eaten in a lot of different ways. Personally, I love them in a salad, on toast, or even in a smoothie. No matter how you enjoy them, they are a great addition to your diet because of the benefits that they provide to your hair. Many people do not realize that they can also be great for your skin, heart, and overall health. If you haven't already, please subscribe and start adding these amazing foods to your diet. You probably already know that the next amazing food that we are going to cover is full of even more benefits for your hair. Alright, now it's time for the fourth food. You are going to love this one. Let's talk about number 5. Walnuts. Walnuts are great for your hair because of the nutritional benefits they provide, due to walnuts being a top natural source of omega-3 fatty acids. Foods that are high in omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties and improve blood circulation. This means that your scalp will have better circulation and will be able to provide better nutrients to your hair follicles. Well-fed hair follicles are more likely to produce strong, thick, and healthy hair. By eating walnuts, you are giving your hair the nutrients that it needs to grow. Now, there is even more to walnuts. They have a lot of zinc that is needed for healthy hair. Losing your hair, dryness, and thinning of hair can be a result of a lack of zinc. Zinc is also important for the growth and repair of hair, along with balancing the oil that is produced by hair follicles. It is crucial for maintaining healthy hair. In addition to omega-3 fatty acids and zinc, walnuts are high in biotin, which is a B vitamin known to increase the body's production of keratin. Keratin is the protein that makes up your body's hair, skin, and nails. Biotin helps your hair to become thicker, shinier, and stronger. Antioxidants are abundant in walnuts, and they protect hair follicles from the negative effects of free radicals, which can attack hair follicles. These unstable molecules can damage cells, including the hair follicles, and get in the way of the growth process. When free radicals are present, antioxidants can help protect hair follicles and help them grow a sufficient amount of healthy hair. Walnuts also contain vitamin E, which is known to improve blood circulation to the scalp, providing nourishment to the hair follicles and improving hair growth. Vitamin E also protects hair from UV rays and pollution. In addition to helping your hair, walnuts are also good for your entire body. They have been linked to improved brain function, heart health, and less inflammation. Your body and hair needs the nutrients that walnuts provide, so be sure to eat them every day. Whether it's as an alone-time snack blended into smoothies or paired with a salad, the health benefits of walnuts are endless, especially for your hair. Before we get into the details, I see you checking us out but have yet to subscribe. What are you waiting for? We are building a very special community based on health and wellness, and your presence is important to us. I value your time, and I want to share more of these tips with you, so hit subscribe and ring the bell so you can have access to all this goodness. On to the next item on the list that is sure to change the game when it comes to hair health. Get ready. 3. Salmon. If you haven't already, it's time you made salmon a staple in your diet. This fish is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that are essential for keeping hair thick and healthy and encouraging hair growth. Salmon has some of the most important nutrients for healthy hair, including omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 seconds ease inflammation in the scalp and can unblock hair follicles. Stress, poor diet, and environmental factors can lead to scalp inflammation and blocked follicles, which slow hair growth. Salmon can reduce inflammation and help hair follicles to do their jobs. That's not all. Salmon has vitamin D, which is crucial to the health of hair follicles. Deficiency of vitamin D has been linked to hair loss, including the hair loss condition called alopecia areata. Vitamin D is necessary for hair follicles to help them to grow and make new hair. Salmon is also high in protein. Since hair is made of a protein called keratin, it is important to get enough protein in your diet to support hair growth. If you don't get enough protein, your body can struggle to make the keratin needed for healthy hair. Salmon contains vitamin D and omega-3 seconds, which promote healthy blood circulation. This means that more oxygen and nutrients can reach your hair follicles, potentially stimulating hair growth. Circulation is also important for keeping your hair from thinning or falling out prematurely. Additionally, salmon is rich in selenium, which is beneficial for your hair. Selenium is an antioxidant that helps protect your follicles from free radicals, which can contribute to premature hair loss. Salmon is also very easy to add to meals, whether baked, grilled, or added to a salad. Do you find these tips useful? If you think your hair needs help, give this a like and tell me your thoughts in the comments. I'm excited to read your feedback. If you haven't done so already, subscribe because things are about to get exciting and you wouldn't want to miss out. Let's get into the second food that can help your hair. Number 2 is berries. Surprisingly, berries can help your hair grow and thrive. They have a lot of vitamin C, which is an important nutrient for hair. Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen, a protein that keeps your hair strong and prevents hair from breaking. Collagen most certainly holds the structure of the hair, and without collagen, your hair can become weak. Vitamin C protects your follicles from damage and breakage that can be caused by hair falling out. Berries are full of antioxidants, which help protect your hair from damage and loss that can be caused by the lack of oxidants. These are the good guys that protect your hair and help give it the love and care that it needs. Berries include a type of flavonoid called anthocyanin that helps blood circulation to the scalp. More blood flow means more nutrients and oxygen to the hair follicles so they can start growing hair. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are great berries to try. They are low in sugar and high in nutrients, which is great for your body and hair. These fruits may also improve the health of your skin and help your body fight off sickness. It's super easy to add more berries to your meals. You can add them to your smoothies and oatmeal, or just enjoy them as a snack. No matter how you choose to eat them, they are a great option to help grow your hair. Like this video and subscribe if you haven't. We are building a community to help improve health and I want you to collab. And of course, eggs are the best option. They are super cheap and packed with nutrients your hair will love. First of all, eggs are great for protein, which is important for the growth of hair. Hair is made of a protein called keratin, so the more protein you have, the more hair you will have, and the healthier it will be. Without protein, hair can become brittle and weak. While it is true that taking biotin vitamins can help hair grow, you could just eat more eggs. In addition to protein and biotin, eggs have a ton of other nutrients that are good for hair, including selenium, vitamin D, and zinc. These are all good for hair growth and are very beneficial for the all-around health of the hair. Zinc helps repair tissues, vitamin D helps activate hair follicles, and selenium protects the follicles from damage. Eating eggs is good for your health in many other ways. Eating eggs gives your brain and immune system a good boost, and they provide important nutrients and protein that help you stay healthy. Whether you scrambled them, boiled them, or made them into an omelet, eggs are an important part of meals, especially if you are worried about your hair. The secret is sticking with it. By adding these nutrient-rich foods to your diet, you're giving your scalp and hair follicles the support they need to flourish. If you like this video, like it, tell me how old you are in the comments, and subscribe for real evidence-based health content. We're building a community, and I want you in it. I'll see you in the next video.